Kevin G with a weather overview. Hey, for day-to-day, for this week's weather, as far as what you can expect, check the video below this one for your day-to-day weather. I'm going to go over the overall picture. This is the long-range discussion. And I'm going to try to clue you in as to what I'm seeing. And I think that what you see before you right here on this image is basically the reason why this pattern has not turned snowy in the month of February. And I think this pattern overall that we have, which is unfavorable for snow lovers like myself, I think this pattern is going to continue for the next 7 to 10 days. I think much of February is shot as far as major snowfall is concerned, and I'm going to show you why. Basically, this is very disappointing for me because for two reasons. One, I love the snow, and two, I've had it in my mind based on what I saw in January as the upcoming weather pattern, the one that we're in now. I had it in mind that things would be a lot different. I thought it would be a lot more favorable. But if you look at that ridge off the west coast, that red area, that red blob, so to speak, that's the key to the forecast as far as I'm concerned. And the corresponding ridge off the east coast, these two factors are basically going to contribute to not a lot of sustained cold around here, and also snowfall chances, not that they're impossible, but they're going to be very hard to come by, especially if you're looking to see a major winter storm. So if we go out through time on the GFS model, this is off of Tropical Tidbits, that ridge is really, you could focus in on that one piece of evidence, so to speak, that just shows to me that we're not really going anywhere as far as this overall weather pattern is concerned. It's going to be much of the same with in and out cold shots, mild temperatures in between, and a lot of rain chances, and very few opportunities for snow. And I think that this will be the case through at least through President's Day weekend and possibly beyond. So here we are. We're out to Saturday. This ridge has not moved off the west coast. It's in the exact same spot, more or less, than where we started in the beginning of the video. And if we roll through time, we don't really see anything changing. And now we're all the way out to February 21st. So the cold air, instead of dipping into the eastern part of the United States, it's dipping into the Rockies and in the western part of the United States. That blue area in between the two red areas is the pocket of cold air, and that's where the jet stream is going to set up and be most amplified. And when you have an amplified jet stream like that, that's where your storms are going to go. So, I would expect a lot of above normal snow in the plain states, the Great Lakes. This overall pattern is indicative of a lot of snow being felt west of the Mississippi River and in the plain states. So that's the way I see it for now over the next 7 to 10 days. I'll keep an eye on it. If you're a snow lover, you are going to be very saddened by this video, as am I, but it is what it is, and I just thought I'd clue you in as to the overall pattern, and I'll have more to say as the week wears on.